The debate of body weight versus weightlifting exercises is a big one. In fact, you will find people on the internet arguing over it for days and days, seemingly without getting anywhere. So, to help you understand the difference between the two and to help you decide which one is best for you, let's see what their pros and cons are. First, let's start with bodyweight exercises. Bodyweight exercises are very convenient and effective. You don't need a gym membership or any equipment, since all you'll be using as your resistance is your body. Also, since bodyweight exercises are fairly simple in their movements, it's usually easy to prevent injuries. This is especially important for beginners that are new to resistance training and more prone to errors in form. Here, bodyweight training tends to be much more forgiving and won't lead to injuries as fast. Last, bodyweight exercises are very easy to modify and can be adapted to different strength levels, so they can be used by beginners and advanced trainees alike. Now, what about weight training exercises? Because you will be lifting higher weight loads when doing weight exercises, you will be able to build muscle at a faster than normal rate. Also, specific exercises with loaded weights are perfect to strengthen muscular imbalances because you can target individual muscles a lot better than with bodyweight exercises. And lastly, it is generally more easy to progress with weight training exercises because all you have to do is add a weight plate to the bar instead of finding a more difficult variation of a bodyweight exercise. So what's my verdict? Which one is better? As so often in life, there isn't a clear-cut answer to this question because it really depends on your preference and lifestyle. If you don't like gyms and want to train wherever and whenever you prefer, then bodyweight exercises are definitely the way to go. If you do have access to a good gym and want the fastest possible results, however, then weight training will be your better bet. I personally do both, especially because I travel a lot and often don't have access to a gym. In the following lessons, I will teach you what a good workout would look like in both cases, while also teaching you the most common exercises.